Right, so guys, today we're doing a Mark 7 Transit. The door lock is knackered, so we've got to do it off the ignition, which is something I don't like doing as a rule because it gets stuck. But we'll have a look and see what it can do. Because on the door, this one wasn't turning at all, or this one, she was seized. Right. So right, so we are on 141, 3, and we're in between sizes. So 322 we'll go with. Could also be 33, so 322. One, double check my thing for 1322. 141. Oh, she looks more to. Oh, wrong way. 322. That looks about right. Once I get this out, I'll show us cutting. So now we are going to cut the key. Transit. Right. Oh my goodness. Right. Bum, bum, bum. And I will come back after this cut. Right, the key's cut. I have tried it in. Customer says okay to record. So now we're going to go make a chip for it and program it. So on these it's going to be the standard Ford 63. As usual, we'll use a super chip for these. I prefer these to the glass ones because the glass ones are absolutely horrendous for breaking. I'm not saying it's the case in all of them, but it's the case in a lot of them. Because especially with Dragon Bone people, they tend to drop the keys. Oh my goodness. They tend to drop the keys and they tend to chip and everything else. So generate transponder. Ford 63 Ford. And then to do this we shall use our trusty TDV. Also the key code was exactly the same, 141322. It was on point. So we slide the chip in, cut always facing down, because that's the front of the transponder. And we just slide it in, couple of little taps on there, and next we're going to plug it in. Right, now we're back in the van. As you can see, the immobilizer light is flashing, saying the key's not programmed. So we're going to go down to Ford, see if I can get a zoomed in view. We're going to go up to Transit. It's a just we hit the wrong button. We're going to go up to Transit, key coding. We're going to go down to 2008 because 2007 to like 12, or it's about 13 is the same thing. program key, remove key from ignition, insert key to ignition, turn on. Okay, many keys, 1, systems initializing and just getting security access. Key programming complete. Okay, off, on, and Immobilizer off. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, it really helps. Thank you. Bye.